If you follow Neville's teachings, I'm assuming that it's because you want to create some scenario that doesn't already constitute your external reality. For example, think some new friends or a seven-figure salary. This is the crux of Neville's teachings, essentially, to create an ideal reality for yourself and for those around you. From my experience, though, the fruition of your desires itself is not always what brings about inner peace, joy, fulfillment. So despite having a seven-figure salary, it's okay to not feel complete. This is normal. With that in mind, this is exactly where the power of revision comes into play. Revision is the act of curing and earning a victory over yourself. It's easy to fall under the impression that it's merely a tool to right your wrongs, and while it may be that in essence, its depth far exceeds that. Revision lays down the scaffolding for a happy, fulfilling life. The idea is to, at the end of each day, fall asleep reliving the day how you wish it had gone. To this, you may add secondary features that would otherwise be their own manifestations with their own scenes, like receiving a text message from your long-distance partner, for instance, pretending as if they had really happened. In this way, you tackle three things: alleviation of the consequences of past actions, creation of your desires in the external reality, and a stable state of life. Revision makes you perpetually peaceful. As a naturally analytical and skeptical person, I can safely accredit it with having eliminated second thoughts and created harmony in place of it. If you were to do anything at all that relates to Neville's teachings, I'd suggest that you make it revision. Lastly, remember, never overcomplicate it. Enter a calm state of mind first. This may be done by directing all of your attention to any one thing. Recently, I've been entering this meditative state by listening to the sound of my environment. Then once your body feels tranquilized, relive your day from the moment you woke up to the moment you got into bed, in every detail of how you wish it had gone. Live it until it feels real in sensory terms. Eventually, you'll fall asleep as you do it. When you wake up, you'll feel it is done. As is always the case, I'm open to any questions and conflicting standpoints. Happy creation. Subscribe if you like this video.